Okay, so you've unplugged your cat water fountain. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and pull up on this spout, take that out real quick and easy. You're gonna go ahead and make sure that you dump out any extra water here, which I already had done. There's gonna be a little bit left, but then you're gonna wanna flip it over, okay? One thing I was gonna mention is that this filter right here, I might as well start here. There's a couple different filters in here, and there's a black one in here that you get a spare when you get your cat water fountain. You get this as well. And so what you do, you just pop this open, okay? Just like this, just pull this out, throw it away, put a new one in. But before you actually put the new one in, you're gonna wanna soak this for 5 minutes. And what that does is it gets out any of the contaminants that are kind of sitting there, but it also primes the filter so that the water can easily get through and filter everything that needs to be done. So definitely what you wanna do periodically when you change these, obviously you're gonna wanna wipe this down, make sure that there's not any moss or mildew or anything like that going on. And then all you do is when you get your new one after you've soaked it, you just put it in here, close it up, real simple, real easy, pretty straightforward. This one here is kind of the more detailed one as far as cleaning goes. So I'm just gonna show you, you just pop this little top off, just like that. Underneath here, there's a filter, so you can just pull this out. You got a replacement right here, you just put it in like that, good to go. So what you're gonna really wanna focus on is these can build up some mildew and mold and stuff like that inside, not very often, but just enough that you wanna just go ahead and wipe it down and clean it real quick and before you put the new filter in. Also inside here, if you pull on this right here, it'll just pop out really easy, just like that. I like to go ahead and just clean this, makes it really quick. And then also right in here, there's a little propeller that sucks the water out. Basically you wanna just kind of get in there and clean that as well, just to make sure that it's nice and clean. So then all you do after you have cleaned it, you just put this back on, it goes on just like this. Just pushes on real quick and easy. And then when you put this back on, you just make sure that the black part is actually on the bottom, which will be the top once you flip it over. Just like that. So really straightforward, pretty basic. They sent this to me a little while ago to try out and I've absolutely loved it. I definitely would recommend if you have a pet, a smaller pet like a cat or a dog, smaller dog, this is a great option. You can definitely get some really good use out of it. Nice thing is too, it's constantly flowing and you know that it's getting filtered. And so that's peace of mind to me. Obviously we all want to take care of our pets and definitely not a bad way to go.